It's very important for all of our clients, friends, listeners, viewers to be aware that Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited cares about every aspect of your travel and your travel experience. And as such, we have produced our daily news to keep you abreast with factors that have been impacting the travel industry and also those that will assure you and reassure you as to the positive steps that have been taken to protect the lives and the well-being of all those who need to travel, who need to create and maintain fun in their lives. Now, with that said, the president of the 147-year-old Holland America line, Orlando Ashford, advised us travel advisors that the Holland America decision has been made to voluntarily and temporarily pause its global ship operations for 30 days. Ashford stated that in an abundance of caution, they have made this difficult decision to pause operations of all its 14 ships for 30 days. Now, this will impact sailings scheduled to depart all the way through to April 14th of 2020. Clients will receive a 100% refund and a 100% future cruise credit. And I must stick a pin right here, ladies and gentlemen, just to allow you to understand the value proposition of this. So in essence, if you are booked and ready to sail anytime from today through to the 14th of April, you're getting all your money back that you paid. Full refund, 100%. On top of that, Holland America is saying, we value you. We value the fact that you chose to sail with us. We are very mindful that this holiday has been very important and this season of cancellations has impacted you very, very strongly. And so as soon as it is safe for us to take you out on the seas again, we're doing it on us. Feel free to book. And of course, if you have received that cancellation notice, know that you can contact us right here at Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, and we will rebook your future cruise credit for you. Yep, that's what we do right here. Now, for those clients of Holland America who have decided that they're maintaining their bookings on those departures between now and July 31st of 2020, there is an offer that will be extended to you. Thank you for keeping your booking. Let's call it that. And that will be a $100 per stateroom or $50 per person for any sailing 6 days or less. Now, for sailings 7 days or more, the onboard credit will be $200 per stateroom or $100 per person. Now, this will be automatically added to your shipboard account. You don't need to call. You don't need to add it yourself. You don't even need to call your travel designer. It is done for you. Now, for those of you who are on the fence, still wondering, should you be booking at this point or should you wait and see? You know, we're still open for business. No need to wait and see. And there is a thick, rich offer that is available if you call us now to book that Holland America sailing. Because if your booking is from August 1, 2020 through to October 15, 2020, we are being offered through Holland America the book with confidence guarantee. So you can book and you can cancel up to 30 days prior to your sailing. And you will receive a future cruise credit for the amount of the fare that you have paid. And so, of course, this is great because the only figure that you will not receive is the cost of your cancer protection plans or your standard platinum plan for your cancellation. So, of course, we encourage you, protect your trip, protect your trip, protect your trip. And we will encourage you every step of the way because, as I like to say, travel protection is for those unforeseen occurrences, and you never see what's unforeseen. It's just standard. So we protect our trip. Do bear in mind that this offer is on new bookings only. So if you cancel and rebook, you're not getting this offer. So for all new bookings made March 6th through to April 30th, you will be getting this benefit through the Book with Confidence guarantee. Now for details of all itinerary changes due to the cancellation for Holland America, ship by ship for all 14 vessels, this is where it stands. On March 14th, today, the Oyster Dam, which was originally scheduled to embark on her sailing from San Diego, California, has been impacted. She will not sail. The New Amsterdam, originally scheduled to embark Saturday, March 14th in Fort Lauderdale, will not sail. Cunnings Dam, originally scheduled to embark Sunday, March 15th in Fort Lauderdale, she'll not sail. Now, other vessels of the fleet are currently in motion. They're on their scheduled itinerary, and this is the status as to what will happen for them. The Veen Dam, March 18th in Fort Lauderdale, is her scheduled disembarkation day. That will proceed as scheduled. The Eurodam would also be disembarking March 18th in San Diego, California. That will proceed as scheduled. The Zunder Dam, March 18th, apologies. She is scheduled to disembark her passengers. That will go as scheduled. The Mass Dam, March 20th is her disembarkation day in Hawaii. This has been changed. She will now be disembarking in San Diego, California on April 3rd. The Zane Dam, March 21 is her disembarkation day in San Antonio, Chile. This will proceed as scheduled. The Volendam, scheduled to disembark March 22nd in Fort Lauderdale. This will continue as scheduled. The Amsterdam, March 24th in Fremantle, Australia. This will change. The change will now reflect disembarkation in Fort Lauderdale, May 12th. And the Rotterdam, scheduled to disembark March 27th in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This will proceed as scheduled. For guests who are currently on back-to-back cruises beyond the dates stated earlier, they will now need to disembark the ship. You will be guided by the crew if you're on board and watching this video, so pay attention to the alerts and notices that are being provided. Now, you might have said, oh, but we've not heard anything about two other vessels, and that is correct. The New Staten Dam, Noordam, and Westerdam previously had announcements of their cancelled voyages, and so those need not be stated in this particular video.